today we have this dinosaur eggs. I have 12 eggs, wherever it is. So it's also 6 plus. And let's get unboxed.
And it has 12 different kind of dinosaurs inside.
Yeah, we also have a manual. And it also have a collection of dinosaurs. And I have a Sharpie saying that so we can peel off the eggs so we'll get the dinosaur. And I have a brush to see better and to brush it off. So let's get an unboxing. And this one? 3 really. Okay. Got it to open. Okay, Can I open? Just press this and it'll open. So I'll open this. The heart. Don't scratch the egg. I'll just have one for my sister and one for myself. Here, Maya. I'll take one. Okay, now take this. Okay. I did 2, one for my sister and one for myself. Here it goes. One for you and one for me. Not too painful.
What is this for?
This is for brushing off. No, first when you're gonna see the dinosaur, then keep on cracking it until it'll crack a little bit.
Okay, let's see who wins.
I know it's hard.
Little baby, it's hard for you.
Yeah, the picture. The picture of it. I think I'm getting it. It's gonna be just. They're all different
It
kinds.
can be any. You have 12 eggs. You can get any kind of dinosaur.
Or every kind of dinosaur. Everything is now starting to fall.
Because it's windy.
Yeah.
Maybe it's about to rain.
Oh no. Maybe the thunder?
So try. Keep trying.
Yeah.
How much did you get? Oh, you created a hole inside.
It's too hard. It's sand.
Do you want to make it a little bit wet?
Oh yeah. Water.
Oh, you already have it wet? Now try. No? With the other one, Farah?
The other one.
Farah, with the peeler.
There's a peel over here. I don't know how to peel.
Keep doing it. See, it is. You are doing it. See?
Oh, I'm getting it. I see it. What is it? Don't know. Find it. Ooh. How do I let these? I don't know.
Let's see. Keep cracking.
Keep cracking. Crack. Keep
Is it hard,
cracking.
Farah?
No.
Is it hard, Sumaya?
No.
No? Sure.
Sure.
Oh. Now you have sunlight on your egg. First Farah had sunlight. Now nobody.
And it's shining.
It looks fun.
Oh yeah, it looks fun. Wow, I can see some of the dinosaur pieces.
Keep cracking. Tick tock, tick tock, tick
Tick
tock.
tock, tick tock. The math went up, the clock ring, ting. The math went down, tick tock,
Hickory dickory dock.
tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. The math went up, the clock rang 12.
Oh, it seems interesting,
Yeah.
but it looks so messy.
Yeah, kind of watery.
Not watery because it is clay, molding clay maybe.
Yeah.
The wet one, the
Yeah.
sand, the wet sand to mold stuff. Farah,
Yeah.
Farah, keep digging.
Keep digging. Dickory dock. The mouse went up. Happy gone. Yep, what big duck. Run, run. Ooh, I can see something like a beak. Maybe like an ostrich dinosaur. That's funny, is it? Let's do some more here. Oh, some. Whoa!
Did you break the dinosaur?
Is it Whoa, I know what it is. It's flying dinosaur. It's kind of a flying one. It's a pterodactyl. That's cool, is it? I just found something. What is it in mine? I don't
Keep
know.
digging. Keep digging.
Mine is so cool.
Oh, what do you have, Sumaya?
Whoa. A pterodactyl.
Clean it up. And you are still on.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big dinosaur.
Oh, it looks big.
Maybe a big dinosaur.
Wow, you did a great job, Farah. And is your dinosaur ready? Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Show me, show me, show me, show me.
Let's take all of this away. Ah! Look at the dinosaur here.
And where is yours?
Where is mine gone?
In the water.
Where is it gone?
Wow, that looks cute.
Can you see yours? Should I dig it out for you, everyone?
Should we go ahead with the other ones?
Yeah, maybe. Let's go.
Right here.
Thank you. I'll put this one
And right here.
Here you go.
Oh, that looks cute. That's a flying dinosaur.
A pterodactyl. I knew it. What is this? Oh. A dinosaur. Put it in the water, it'll be easier to peel.
Put it down and then do it, baby. Put it down. Put it down on the table. Or the other way.
What's your first one like? Where's your first one? Where's your first dinosaur? Where's your first dinosaur?
Is it hard?
Not so hard.
Oh, you look so messy, both of you. Messy babies?
Cute.
Ew.
Cute. This is so fun.
Thank God we didn't do it inside.
Yeah. Thank God. This messy.
Where you're up to? Almost. You're almost there.
I know. Kids, never do this inside your house. Do it every time outside. This is a messy thing.
And what will happen if you do it inside?
It'll get dirty inside.
Wow, you have a big dinosaur this time.
Yeah.
Which one is that?
I don't know.
Maybe this is Diplodocus.
Oh,
Diplodocus.
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 Which one was that? It's a pterodactyl.
This one is Pterosaurus. And which one is Faras? Oh, Faras is Camarasaurus. This is Camarasaurus. Ooh.
Can we even get more water in here?
Of course.
This one here. I'll wash this one. Oh no!
And the last one.
Yeah. Whoa. Should I help you? Okay, let's do it together. Oh, fine. Okay, it's red.
Pink.
I think red. Yeah, pink. So you do it with me.
Baby, crack the egg.
Crack the egg. Yours is so hard. Part of it is almost done. I did.
Dinosaur is here.
Oh, the dinosaur is here. Did they cut it apart? It look like.
Ooh, that's a pink one.
This way, I think there's a baby in here. Let me see the baby. You want to see the baby? Let me help you.
That's a Cychania.
Oh, let me wash it. Let me wash it for you. Maybe there's a baby in there. Are you excited for the baby?
No, it's like this only. Ooh. There are. Farah, ruk jao, Farah.
Wow. Where's the baby? Where's the baby one? I came to the baby? The old
Now
one.
we have already unboxed 4 of them. Farah baby is like she wants her own dinosaurs with her.
Okay, bye. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel if you like it. Bye. And friends, don't do this at your home. Make it messed up. Bye. Subscribe.